guys. I'm here somewhere. Look! Andito ako guys sa gitna ng desierto mag-isa. It's a holiday today. It's a Thursday. So, eto. See, look. So, pupunta ako doon kung saan sila nagpapalipad ng kites. I just discovered this in Instagram. And, ayun na may mga buggy, but I don't know if I'll ride. As in, naligaw ako. Pero buti na lang, thank you for Google Map. Kasi lumagpas ako sa exit. And anyway, I'm here now. So, let us see where are we going. Well, I'll check where I'm going kasi walang daan. Desierto here. Look at it. Naligaw ako guys. And this is the thing. Buti na lang, maganda yung panahon. And mag-isa ako. Wala akong kasabay. And nasa ano tayo in the middle of, well, it's not really desierto, pero malayo siya. Malayo to. It's like 100 kilometers away from the city. And nakikipagsapala na tayo mag-isa dito. Look at guys. So, andali lang. I'll take more videos. So, andun yung highway oh. Doon. So, andito ako sa gitna. And it's a holiday today in Kuwait. And gumagana ako mag-isa. See? We're gonna take a video! Guys, it's so nice. I'm so excited. At buti na lang, nakisama ang panahon. Oh my God! I'm so happy! Ganun ako, babaw ng kaligayahan ko. So, oora tayo dito. And look at this, guys. Guys, ang ganda dito. Look! Yeah, here. Ganda. As in, super! What a weekend! Nakaka-chill. Bumabalik tayo sa pagkabata. But make sure you bring your sunscreen. Nakatutok ako ng sunscreen! Hello guys! I'm in the middle of nowhere. No, dito tayo sa Benidorm. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but the place is Benidorm. Guys, ang saya dito. Mapabata man o matanda, when you see this, you will really enjoy. It's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's a holiday here in Kuwait. So actually marami kang makikitang families dito. Kasi ang ganda, it's very relaxing. Malamig siya guys. Actually nangingisay yung kamay ko. Kasi nasa desierto, diba? Malamig siya. So, lalo na pag medyo hapon ngayon. Matirik yung araw, pero malamig siya. So, ang gandang gumala na ganito. So, just look at that guys. Actually, yung mga kites nila. Yung sa atin dyan sa Pinas, medyo maliit. Oh, may malalaki naman din siguro. Pero ito, very creative sa tingnan. Ganda. Ulit-ulit ako. Buggy. They have their own buggy. So you can bring your own as well. So ganun lang. Gulo-gulo na yung buhok natin. Pero I'm really enjoying. Look oh. Diba? It's really nice. And let us see kung saan naman tayo aabot nito. Okay? Have a nice weekend everybody, and ciao from Kuwait. Bye!